Hi everyone, how are you all? And namaste to all. This is CB Homanto. Today I am going to talk about Booker Prize 2025 long list and short list. Kiran Desai's first novel in 19 years earns spot on the Booker Prize 2025 long list. Booker Prize 2025 long list features 13 titles around the world, including Indian origin author Kiran Desai's Loneliness of Sonia and Sunny. If Desai wins the Booker Prize 2025, she would become the only fifth uh, Indian author to win Booker twice. Kiran Desai's new novel, uh, The Loneliness of Sonia and Sunny, has been selected for a Booker Prize 2025 long list. It is Indian origin author's first book in nearly 20 years. After last she was appeared on the Booker Prize list uh, after since winning 2006 for the Inheritance of Loss, published by Hamish Hamilton. Uh, it's a sprawling novel that traces the parallel journeys of two Indian protagonists, one in New York and other recently returned to India. They grapple with their personal history and families and identity in the changing world. At over 650 pages, this is the longest book in this year's uh, uh, long list books of 13 titles. And the 13 long listed books are Misinterpretation, Sea Creepers, Flesh, Ending, The Land in Winter, The Rest of Our Lives, Audition, The Loneliness of Sonia and Sunny, Fleshlight, One Boat, Universality, uh, The South, and The Love Forms. These are the long listed 13 books. And the short list has been shortlist for the Booker Prize 2025 has been announced, featuring uh, previous winner and 3 authors shortlisted for the first time. The shortlist of 6 novels has been selected by the 2025 judging panel, chaired by critically acclaimed uh, writer and 1993 Booker Prize winner Roddy Doyle and fellow judges. This year's selection has been chosen from 153 submissions and celebrates uh, the best work of long form fiction by writers of any nationality, written in English and published in UK and or Ireland between 1st October 2024 and 30th September 2025. The shortlisted author each received £2,500 and special bound of edition for their book, and gain global readership and increases the profile and its sales. And the winner of the Booker Prize 2025 will be announced at a ceremony in London on Monday, 10th November 2025. And the winning author will received 50,000 pounds, and both including classical storytelling and the novels that push the boundaries of narrative form, and the characters navigate the familiar domestic situations, and the power dynamic shifts between parents and their children, and marriages become adrift, and the families reckon with the weight of their own history. And together the shortlisted books transport the readers from Hungary to Japan, and from Italy to US, and from India to England, and features the rootless characters far from the places uh, once they called their home. With this, and I am going to take your leave. For your information, the shortlisted books are 6 books are Flesh, and The Land in Winter, and The Rest of Our Lives, Audition, The Loneliness of Sonia and Sunny, and Fleshlight. Uh, with this, I am going to end my video. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel, and press bell icon. Thank you.